Why I'm shooting this video was a student of mine, a mentee of mine, contacted me saying he likes how I do my own. He wants to be part of my. I said I don't charge. Let him subscribe. He said, okay, how do I start doing this? I said, okay, go back, start trading. He said, you need the basic knowledge of MT4 and MT4.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life.
Yeah, what's up, my guys? Welcome to Forex, the only channel for some into the financial market. If you don't forget to click the subscribe button, and that also so each time I post a video like this, YouTube will really get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new to this video. So to our subscribers, I want to say a big thank you. To those who are not yet subscribed, I don't think this journey can continue without you. I want to say a big thank you. Your subscription, your comment, your love and faith means a lot to this Forex Academy channel. So to those who have not yet joined our free Telegram channel, I share signals back to back on that Telegram channel, no fee, nothing. My main aim is just to build a for an academy and all group of people who are trading and who are making money from the financial market, not people who I will be making money from. No, I want a community where everybody can trade, make money, and withdraw their money and solve out their basic needs. So in today's video, I will be talking on how to use an MT4 or MT5 as a beginner from scratch, starting from downloading it, starting from what is MT4 and MT5, starting from the software, the mental code, how it was launched, starting with how you can go to using your app, your Play Store, if you are using an Android or an iOS, how you can download it, how you can save it, how mental code will give you $300,000 demo account. And what is demo? Demo is just a free money given to you by your broker to trade. If you lose money, nobody will hold you accountable. If you make millions of profit there, bro, you know if you withdraw. So what's up, my guys? So we'll be talking quickly on what is MT4 and what is MT5. So quickly before I get into the video, MT4 is an app given to in which retail traders use to execute their trading, either to buy, to sell, and not to buy and not to sell. Because not to buy and not to sell is also a trade, because you didn't see the clear chances of doing that. So quickly, I say here, I say what is MT4 and MT5? The Google state that both MT4 and MT5 are official version created and distributed by Mental Code Software. MT4 and MT5, the first MT is a simple code, is the acronyms of mental codes. So MT4 and MT5, the new MT5 version is considered to be superior for stock trading. MT5 and MT4 are designed and created by Mental Code Software Company, which enables retail trader in order to buy, to sell, and I will still say not to buy and not to sell is also a trade. So let's quickly check in what is this one. Okay, he said that MT4 provides basic technical analysis tools, including various built-in indicator, chart option, drawing tools. However, its analytic compatibility could be improved and compared to MT5 offer. So as you can see, so MT4 is created is a mental code. So first thing is that I don't have anything wrong on this MT4. So what I'm going to do is that immediately I use that finish downloaded it either on my Apple or my Play Store. If I just click open, automatically mental code will generate a free demo of $100,000 account for you. So what is demo? Demo is free money given to you to learn to trade, or you can withdraw money. That is not it. You lose, you are not going to be held accountable. You make profit, you are not going to be withdrawing money. So that is demo. Demo allows forex trader to participate. So they give me $100 trading account. So this is how to see MT4 on your phone. So if you are using your Android, or if you are using your laptop or your MacBook or anything, the broker you are trading will give you your mental code, your MT4, personally. So please. Yeah, what's up my guys? Welcome to this Forex. So if you like to see video like that, content like that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and that also notification. So each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also direct others to this video. To those who have been supporting us, I always will say big thank you. We are building a community of financial people where people trade, withdraw money, and paying their debts. Those who are owing school debt, those who are any other contract all over the world. So why I'm shooting this video was a student of mine, a mentee of mine, contacted me saying he likes how I do my own. He wants to be part of my side, I don't charge. Let him subscribe. He said, okay, how do I start doing this? I said, okay, go back, start trading. He said, you need the basic knowledge of MT4 and MT5. So this video is particularly for newbies. If you don't understand how to, or just hear about Forex, you want to understand how to trade using your MT4, MT5. So please, you have to watch this video, subscribe it, backtest it. When I mean backtest in Forex, it means you have to relearn it till you become your own personal master. So this video I talk about how you can use your Apple or your Google Play Store to download your video, to get your video and to get your trading continue. So if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, join our free Telegram channel where we distribute signal back over. I think this week we only took one loss, which is on Euro/USD. Nobody's perfect. We know we took loss. Wow. So don't forget to subscribe and join the Forex Trading Academy. Big shout out to you all. I love you guys. Thanks.